Okay, so what's good, y'all? I had to do this over again because my last video was like 2 minutes and wouldn't let me upload it. You know what it is. February 6th, 2010. We got like 20 inches of snow out here. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy, son. Oh boy. These trees is ready to snap any minute. There's people all the way down there. You see that right there? Right in there? Yo, it's like people's cars smashed, son. Trees all over, everywhere. Power lines down. We're like the only block. Everything from right here up that way got power. Everything from here down that way. You better be lighting some candles. You better be getting that kerosene heater ready, baby. You feel me? Shout out to all my people on Facebook. I'm looking crazy right now. Oh, peep this. Got busy yet? What's that supposed to do? I'm gonna leave y'all on that note. Alright, peace.